the Can-Am in its natural habitat. Oh man. Alright, so we are now past the search and rescue phase, and now it is on to rebuild phase. So today and this past week we've been helping families gut houses, take out furniture that weighs 500 pounds a piece because it's all waterlogged, and cut down trees, yank trees, and so on and so on. So that's the latest, guys. Just getting you up to date. I think we're on day 17 now. So yeah, it's been pretty nuts between the Indiana USAR group. Big shout out to them. Pleasure and an honor working with you guys, and then working with the Fort Myers Fire Department for the past week. Also very awesome as well. Big shout out to them. Keep looking at the videos. I'll keep posting them as they come up, as I can get them out. But yeah, during the days now it is nothing but tree work and house clean outs. So I'll show you some pictures of all the house we just gutted recently, and all the way down to the studs. So all right, appreciate it, guys.